Howdy, and today we're going to briefly go over a paper that did research about a landing pad on the moon. The whole point is to make a landing pad out of materials there that can dissipate energy from the landing rockets and not be a danger to any people there or any equipment. But first, let's look at a rocket taking off on the moon. This is Apollo 17. I'd like you to pay attention to the ground below. You'll see a big cloud of dust that comes towards the camera as the lens tilts up. This lunar regolith, or rocky fine dirt, is a really big problem and can damage equipment. If it gets anywhere near people while it's in the open environment, it can cause problems with the lungs. It's worse than asbestos. And so we want to be able to control that dust and not have to take too much with us when we're going to construct this on the moon. So they wanted to design a lunar landing pad made of materials there and worked with a company out of Austin called Icon that does 3D printing. And they did several designs looking at different ways to absorb the energy of the rockets, grates, vent designers, or central cone, and settled on a variety of methods, especially kinetic energy diffusers. This the process of doing the 3D printing isn't always easy. They had to do several iterations before they were able to get it right, but came up with some really great results. This design includes energy diffusers that can catch the blast wave and slow it down, as well as a blast wall that will catch some of the dust before it can get too close to equipment. And this paper made a lot of progress in investigating new technologies and new methods of dissipating energy and keeping the rocket from damaging nearby equipment. And the embedded materials, instrumentation placement, overhang support, and printing and casting methods will be very useful in the future when we have to build rockets. So next time you look up at the moon, know that one day people will be there and hopefully they land safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something.